YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with an unboxing of some goodies that I was sent free from Gloeland, GLOBELAND.com. And so Gloeland reached out to me. They are, I guess you'd say, sister website to BB Crafts, and I'm sure you guys have seen BB Crafts, but BB Crafts focuses on a lot of different items, jewelry and dyes, all kinds of stuff. But Gloeland primarily focuses on silicone dyes and stamp sets. So, yeah, so if you want to kind of narrow down and be a paper crafter, you know, this is probably the place that you want to go. So they gave me a set amount and say, hey, try our product out. Just do unboxing in a couple of videos, see if you like it, promote it, see what you think. So this is my first time getting anything from them. They sent it to me free of charge. To try them out, and so I want to see how they are, how they stamp and how they cut, and I'll let you know. But I will show you what I was sent to me, and of course I will have the links below and their website information as well. So I just picked out some things that I thought I could make, you know, quick little cute projects out of. And again, sorry about the sound, but I wanted to show you how it's packaged so you know. And they did send it FedEx, signed, for it to be signed for, and of course I'm struggling right here to pull it off because I'm pulling the wrong side. Sorry about that noise if that bothers anyone. Hopefully not. As a paper crafter with all this noise, I know a lot of people are into the noise. So these are some ones that I thought might look nice, you know, on a scrapbook layout. I thought it would be nice on a front of an album cover or a card or whatever. So these measure, let's see, okay, avalanche over here, right? So this one is 6 inches, okay? So actually the length of a photo, like 4x6, it says I love you, if you can't tell that. That one says I love you, and you see the hearts on the beginning and the end, scripty. And this one says, get well soon. So I just thought these would be some nice quick sentiments on any kind of cards or things like that. And this one says, I'm sure I'm not the best at reading backwards. I don't know what that said at the moment. Maybe I got it upside down. Nope. I don't remember. Happy birthday. No, happy anniversary. See what I mean? Trying to get me read backwards. I need a mirror. This is happy birthday, happy anniversary, and congratulations. And I don't know what this one is. D-E. It looks like a D-E-W-Y. Oh, happy Valentine? Happy Valentine. Oh, that looks like, okay. I'm thinking that's what it says. But anyway, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can also put these, like if you get a little goodie bag or something, you can put this on the front of the goodie bag to send to someone. So universal sentiments there. So of course the prices were reasonable as well. I got this stamp set, and I thought these, I could punch these out. This doesn't come with a die, but I thought these would be easy to punch out with a punch because they're an inch. So I do have an inch punch, so hopefully I can be able to punch that out with those. This is happy mail just for you, happy hello, a note for you, kindness enclosed, stamped with love, sending wishes, fairy kisses, made with love, snail mail, hugs enclosed, thinking about you, share handmade kindness, sending joy and best wishes, and then a string of hearts and a little like confetti of hearts. So just different ones. And again, I think I can use the 1-inch circle punch, or I can use the 1-inch die to cut those out. Hopefully I can just use the punch to be quicker after stamping those out. And then I just got this, I don't know, this little cute little cat human thing with accessories, and I'm trying to see if we had an actual name to it. No. So that you can see the logo right there, Gloeland. And so it says Cool Cat, so it's got a cat face and a little outfit, a malt, a milkshake, and a laptop, and it says Smile. You got your tea and desserts and hats and pizza and different tennis shoes and camera that's shaped like a pig. It's a Polaroid shaped like a pig because it's got pig ears. You could put the bow up here. You can put the glasses up here. I guess that's like a little package. So just different little accessories that you can make. So I thought maybe I could make a card or something out of it. Now this cat, the body is 4 inches. And then the head's another inch and about a quarter. It's about 5 1/4 inches long. So he might even could be on an iCad. And then I got this little die set, and this one is like the candy apple and the different types of things that you can do to decorate the candy apple. So I just thought I could use this for an embellishment. So you have the apple, stitched apple, different layers, different size, the drizzle, and you know the caramel or the what's the hard sugar, you know what I'm talking about, that you drizzle on it, and then some little sprinkles you can put on it. So I just thought I'd play around and maybe cut out different colors and stuff and make some of those with that. And then the last one is a stamp and die set that came together. And this one is sunflowers. I like sunflowers. I had some in my yard. Large plants to every season. So these are different faces of the sunflower, and it says Merry Happy. And this one says love, and then it has the dice to go along with it. So you've got 3 large faces, and there's some small ones down here, and some individual ones as well. And then you've got looks like a little trail, like it could be an ant trail or it could be a butterfly trail with the little dashes right there. So yeah, and you got the one with the stem, so you can die cut all of that out. So you can, each one of those big stamps. So I think a card or something out of that one. So of course I come back when I get a chance to make some projects and show you what I made. And again, the links will be below, and go check out their website. And I think you will like it. And let's see, I think that was it that I want to share. So thank you so much for stopping by and for coming back to check out what I made with these goodies. Take care. God bless. And I dare you to be creative.